What's good, everybody? Now it's time to react to ROSÉ, Sea of Hope.
Y'all been asking for this like crazy.
Yeah.
And there's a seat that's probably the most unproven, I don't know, but there's no.
That's a beautiful view,
Is this in Bristol though? Yo, this is the original guitar she got, like she did the audition with.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. My mama swore that she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised that I never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only
The way she's singing this bit with the emotion and the ad-libs on the end of the.
sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. 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 Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. We've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face.
Oh no, it's the way she'll ask.
Or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now I have sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, 'cause none of it was ever worth the risk. For you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
Scenery, look at this, and the way she's the sound of the guitar.
I've got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof that's not a dream.
Bro, come on.
Okay, bro, this is
somebody ask you about her voice, bro, just show this, bro. Come on.
Leave me with some kind of proof that's not a dream.
This is something that you get predicted.
You are the only exception. 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 And I'm on my way to believing. Oh, and I'm on my way to believing.
Imagine how the couple felt right there. Now I fucking know why you'll be wanting for us to do this in such a long time. Is the song, like the song, this explained by itself, the fucking video explained by itself, because it's something beautiful. It's something you can feel it within your heart.
Yeah.
From the sound of the instruments to the scenery and to her majestic voice, it's a beautiful one.
The song perfectly matched the view, the scene, how the idea was to play this song with Rosie with the guitar there at the beach, and those people were really feeling the song, they were enjoying it. You could see that by them closing their eyes and stuff. Rose's voice is really incredible, and this is the kind of songs that you can also play when you meet some friends, when you like make plans after a long ass time. You start a firework and then somebody singing this song, that's just full of emotions.
Yeah, like everything was planned so good, like was wonderful. But her voice, bro, is just amazing. Her peaceful voice makes you fall in love.
It kind of makes you daydream for real. But this was Rosie, Sea of Hope. It's something that really brings hope, and see y'all next.